In this question, the principal is talking about the concept of unfair trade practice, which means a trade practice which, for the purpose of promoting any sale, use or supply of any goods or service, adopts unfair method or unfair or deceptive practice. A business must not engage in any conduct that misleads or deceives the consumers. This is the principle. As per the facts, there was a rich businessman who was very fond of cars, so he wanted to buy a car named Rowdy Ruckus. So he booked the car in 9 months in advance booking. But when he got the car, he realized that the tires appeared used, and also he found some scratches on the front and rear bumper. So he complained about the problem. The agency manager, he confessed that he was forced to deliver a demo model, the model that is used for demonstration, because the agency has sold off the fresh models. The manager also stated that the demo car was a new car and has not been used for demonstration. But Mr. Sheikh Chizi sued him for unfair trade practice. Now clearly we can see that the method which was adopted by the manager was not a correct one, because he should have either told the correct situation. He was trying to sell the demo car to Mr. Sheikh Chizi. Now the demo car, although as per his words was new and not utilized, but still the car was having scratches on the bumpers and even the tires, they appeared used. So that means either because it's a demo car, the tires were not, the fresh tires were not installed in it. The company was trying to do away with used tires. So it was a demo model which was being sold off to, which was being given to Mr. Sheikh Chizi. So this was a practice which was deceptive. It had unfair means. So this will clearly fall under unfair trade practice. Therefore, the correct answer would be option A, that the manager will be liable because he deceived by delivering him the demo car which had scratches on its body. The rest, the option B also says that the manager will be liable, but the reasoning given is that he was making excuses. So that is a very generalized statement, is not giving the correct reasoning. That is why the correct answer would be option A.